How to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can dropship from Alibaba to Shopee. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Alibaba and Shopee, you can also click the link in the description, in which by clicking the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know Alibaba, it is a prominent online platform operated by the Alibaba Group, which is a leading global company. And the platform serves as a major online wholesale marketplace connecting suppliers and buyers. And Alibaba Group encompasses various businesses including China e-commerce, international commerce, local consumer services, cloud services, digital media, and entertainment. And now that we know the overview of Alibaba, we can now proceed by knowing the other overview of this platform called Shopee, in which it is also a leading e-commerce platform in Southeast Asia and Taiwan, offering a wide range of products and services to millions of users across the region, in which Shopee has quickly become one of the most popular online shopping destinations in the area, in which this platform provides a user-friendly interface and seamless shopping experience, allowing users to browse and purchase items ranging from electronics and fashion to home goods and groceries. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing how to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee. And to do that, the first thing that you need to do is simply open your browser and just go to alibaba.com. And to sign in, just click the sign in button on the top right corner. Or you could also sign up using your Facebook, Google, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And after signing in, you will be directed on this page. And below here, it will show you a variety of products that you can purchase on this platform. And we have here different categories that you could also choose from. So basically, in dropshipping from Alibaba to Shopee, the first thing that we need to do is to simply select a product from Alibaba that we want to dropship. And as you can see here, we have here a variety of options that we can choose with different prices and different seller from this platform. And let's say you're looking for a specific category or products, you could also use by clicking all categories on the top panel. For instance, I'm going to choose fashion and beauty, and also shoes and accessories. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, so can I click on it, in which upon clicking on it, we will be directed on this page, in which from here, it will show us a variety of shoes that we can choose from depending on the preferences that we just input in the categories. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, so can I click on it, then you will be directed on this page, in which it will show us other details, including the images of the product, the variation of sizes, and the size of it, and also other details below here. And we could also see here the corresponding prices of this product, and from here it will show us the quantity of the seller or the inventory amount of this specific product. And below here it will show us other details such as key attributes, rating and reviews from other customer, or feedback from other buyer, which is also important to consider before choosing a product to dropship from Alibaba to Shopee. And now after choosing a specific product that we want to dropship, the next thing that we need to do is to go to shopee.com, and from here just sign in your account or log in using your Facebook or Google account, in which upon signing in, you will be directed on this page. And from here, to start dropshipping, the next thing that we need to do is to simply choose or to start selling on Shopee. And to do that, just click the seller center on the top left corner from here, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply register as a seller by filling out the shop information, business info, and submit. So basically, all we need to do is to enter all of the required information in here. And as you can see under the business info, all we need to do is to select the sales type, which is either business or individual. And after that, we are also required to enter our address, taxpayer identification number, certificate of registration, business name, and many more. And after filling out all of the required information and completing the seller registration, you will be directed on this page. And from here, to start selling, just click under Product, Add New Product. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here. And as you can see, all we need to do is to fill out under Basic Info, Sales Information, Shipping, and others. And all of the information needed can be found on the Alibaba platform, which is under the product that we want to dropship, starting by downloading all of the images or media files in here. We can simply download this image and other variations of these shoes. And after downloading or saving the images, all we need to do is to simply go back to the Shopee and just attach the images from Alibaba. And also, as you can see here, you can even attach a product video of a product that you have chosen. And aside from images and other media files, below here, you're also required to enter the product name. So just go back to this platform and just simply copy all of this product name. Then paste it or input this under the Shopee. So basically, all we need to do is to simply copy an information from Alibaba of a specific product that we choose, then simply paste it in this Shopee to add the details of a specific product that we want to dropship. And after that, just select a category of this product. So I'm going to choose men shoes, since that is the product that I'm choosing to dropship from Alibaba. Under men shoes, I'm going to choose sneakers and just click confirm to proceed. Then below, the next thing that we need to do is to simply enter the product description. And from here, you have the choices either to input manually the product description, or alternatively, you could simply copy the product description that you can see on this Alibaba platform. And you can find the product description under key attributes. So just simply choose or select a specific description that you want to input on your Shopee. So for instance, I'm going to select this one and copy this and paste it under the product description. And after that, if you scroll down below here, the next thing that we need to do under specification is to enter or select a brand. But I'm going to choose no brand and the country of origin, China. And for the occasion, I'm going to select sports. And after that, you could also enter or choose the heels height, since shoes is the one that I choose to dropship. And also the leather type, just select here at least one character. You also need to enter the top height, material, and other specification, but you must use the Alibaba or the details that you can find on this platform, which is located all the details or specification under the description of it. So you can basically use this as your guide in order to fill out all of the required information on your Shopee. Now moving on, below here under sales information, the next thing that we need to do is to simply select a variations or adding variations manually. And since we have 4 variations in color, all we need to do is to simply use all of the information in here and just paste on Shopee. To add variation, just click this button, add variation, and paste or attach some of the images, input the prices, the number of stock of inventory, SKU, and even add a wholesale. But make sure that inputting the price or when setting up a prices that you want to dropship, make sure that you also mark up in order to earn profit on dropshipping a specific product from Alibaba to Shopee. But make sure that in adding or setting up a specific prices, make sure that the markup is very reasonable in order to work the dropshipping effectively. And after that, under the shipping info, all we need to do is simply enter the weight of the product that we could also find in this Alibaba, the parcel size, shipping fee, while under the others info, just click pre-order. Since we're going to dropship a specific product from Alibaba, we also need at least 7 business days to inform or contact the seller from Alibaba. If ever someone order in our Shopee, we can simply contact Alibaba to start order requests or contact the supplier to send or deliver the product that the customer order us on Shopee. And after filling out all of the required information, just click Save and Publish button below here in order to start selling or dropshipping on Shopee. So basically, how it works is that when you try to dropship a specific product from Alibaba to Shopee and you don't have a physical inventory, and when a customer try to purchase on your Shopee a product that you dropship from Alibaba, all you need to do is to simply contact the supplier to start order requests, and the Alibaba supplier will send the product to your customer on Shopee. And the difference between the markup price and the original price of Alibaba is the profit that you will get upon dropshipping. So you're basically selling a product with no inventory, and you just use the product from Alibaba to sell goods or products on your Shopify as a seller. So that is just basically how you can dropship from Alibaba to Shopee. Thank you.